Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio for Day. Today I bought a new watch where I want to show you. Get ready. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is a new watch 5.11. This is what I bought today. Yeah, it's not all. First of all, you need to know that I have used this watch and now the battery is empty. This is the battery that you can buy for your watch. You can see CR2032. This is what you need to buy. And I bought the buff today. I bought the buff. Now I'm ready to show you right now. This is not a joke. As you can see, beautiful, very nice, and this is battery. Look at that, not bad. And look at my hand. Let me show you. This is the watch that I use right now. As you can see here, there's something not good. Look at that. This is the same mark, and today I decided to buy this new one and use this. You can see there are some problem here. No light. I have not verified this before buying this. Wow, no light. Look at his button. Look at, wow, nice. Look at that. I like more of the color. Not bad. You can see you can change. This is chrono. Can you see this? Nice. All of this working very well. Very well. Thank you. Very nice. Then okay, you can change everything. And there's something that I like more is this. Look at, I like more of this thing. This is why I decided to buy this right now. So crazy. What do you think? Let me show you again. Look at my old watch. Look at, ooh, it's so nice. Look at that. When you turn, it's so easy. I need to change this battery. Okay, right now I need to change this and put the brand new battery. You see if it's working. Can you see this? Nice. Wow, it's so easy to, when you turn, it's very easy. Wow, this is why I like this. Now look at that, look at this. It's not easy. Wow, it's not easy. It's turn bad. It's not easy to do this. Okay, not bad. Let me put this on my hand right now and show you. Okay, put on my hand and show you right now. This is what I'm talking about. It's not bad. Okay, now let me put on my hand to see. Okay, as you can see, this is the watch that I'll show you. My old watch. You can see this thing is not here now. I need to change my battery to change my battery. Now I can see nothing. And look at my hand. This is my new watch. My new watch. Look at my skin and look at this watch. Very impressive. And I like this. And I like this. Not bad. Look at that. Look at that. Not bad. As you can see, it's not a joke, it's working very well. 5.11. Nice. I need to remove a sachet. There are sachets into a sachet. Let me remove a sachet. Okay, very well. I remove a sachet. Now you can see it's not a joke. It's not a joke. Very nice now. Very good. Not bad. This is what I'm talking about. I bought this with this battery. It's important to buy this battery. As you can see, wonderful. You can see lithium battery, 3 volt. Okay, expiration 2024. Wow. Look at that. Nice. You can see through all of this watch has the same battery, as you can see, because of his mark. Look at 5.11, 5.11 plus, also 5.11 plus. Nice. Okay, very smooth. This is good. Look at that. This, why I change this? I change this because of this. As you can see, this thing is not here. It's deleted. This is why I decided to buy a new watch like this. But with this watch, you can see it's old now and it's dirty. Look at that, it's old and it's dirty. Can you see? Old and dirty. This is why I decided to buy a brand new watch today. But you can see here. Can you see this? Nice. Not bad. I like more of the color. I like more of this, and nice, very good. What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about this under this video, and don't forget to like and share. Okay, nice watch, good watch for you. Look at my hand, you got the both. Look at all of this. This is what I'm talking about. Nice. Okay, what I need to do with this? I need just to change the battery, and I can use again. Okay, tell me what you think about my brand new watch, and thank you for the next video. Get ready.